Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 17 of chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. Among the following, which compound undergoes SN2 reaction most easily? We know that the order for SN2 reaction is primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. This is the order. First, we have to look for primary alkyl halides. First preference is for primary alkyl halide. Okay. Option A, CH3Br. Bromomethane is primary alkyl halide. Option B, CH3CH2Br. Bromoethane. This is also primary. C, CH3 twice. CHBr. CH. So this is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane is secondary. This bromine is attached to secondary carbon atom. So this is secondary alkyl halide. I can eliminate this one because already we have A and B primary. Option D, CH3 thrice CBr. That is tertiary butyl bromide. This is tertiary alkyl halide. So I can eliminate option D also. CH3Br ಮತ್ತೆ CH3CH2Br ದಲ್ಲಿ yes. Option A CH3Br is right. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ CH3Br ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ CH3CH2Br ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಡ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಕಿಯರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ CH3 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.